All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Happy Wednesday. We are back. I am Dave, your host, and we're live. And today is going to be another fun and exciting one because we have battles going on today. Whoa, what's going on with my screen? We got a bunch of. Let me fix this. This thing is becoming pretty glitchy here. Let's fix this right away. Give me 1 second, guys. Not sure what happened there. I had a bunch of faces pop up. I think I'm off screen, off camera. All right, here we go. Let's get this chart back on. So today is a fun day. It's Wednesday. We are gonna have some battles soon. We had sent out the emails. We had the list there, and the lucky winners have already been, well, not the winners, but the participants have been selected. They'll be coming on live in a bit. But in the meantime, we're going to take a look at these markets. We're going to see where we could possibly find and pick our spots. And let me see who's in the chat. We have Muhammadine Mean. How you doing? How you doing? Odin makes money. Says to hope today's winner is me. We have a Wacklog, Erkin say 250 trades, El Saint, and Sitchin, who is back. All right, good to see everyone. We're gonna wait a little bit before we get into these battles, but it's good to see everybody's here. We have Gareth in the house. New challenge loaded. Very good. We have Sitchin. All right. So we're ready to go. We're going to get into these battles very, very soon. In the meantime, we're going to take a look at these charts and see where we can pick our spots. We were talking about gold pre-market, so I'm going to get into gold just a little bit, and then we'll take a look around. We will take a look around. We got Golden Prince in the house, so good to see you. Good to see you. I hear my doorbell ringing. That means somebody is in the background waiting to come in. Let me know when you're ready. All right, we got the man Caesar back in the house in blue, just like I am. Nice.
Right.
We're matching. I'm giving you a virtual high five here. Yes.
There you go.
So when Alejandra comes in, we'll see if she matches or not. But we got it right this time, so that's great.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. All right. So today's battle day. You battle ready?
My battle ready? No, sorry, I'm not. I'm still having some issues.
Really?
But yeah, let me see if
Because
I'll work on.
I texted support this morning. They should have taken care of that. Let me know. We got Midnight Audiobooks in the chat. How you doing? How you doing? We got George Lubin back. Good to see you. All right, let's zoom into gold in the meantime, and then we'll see what is going on. So looking at this on the weeklies, we see that we had a pretty constructive 3 weeks, right? We found that base around those 4,000, just above 4,000, shall I say. And I thought this was a base and we were going to continue to push lower, but that did not happen. We found a complete recovery. We broke out of this longer term trend, and I think maybe we're halting a little bit here because if we look back, we had this prior support pocket here, and we found some sellers, right? And if we look percentage wise, this was about a 16% move. So it's possible that we see somewhat of a pullback, maybe a shallow one in the next few days or weeks. We will see. But let's zoom in. Let's look at this on a 4 hour chart, and we're going to take a look at what we saw yesterday. But right now, what we're seeing is a higher probability of this pulling back, so moving to the downside than the upside. Why? Well, if we just look at, first of all, the pattern formation, we see that we tested multiple times here. We tested these highs, I would say, about 3 or 4 times, call it 47, the 47.20s, and things are pointing lower. Now, if I zoom in to the hourlies, kind of same scenario. Let me just get a little bit more granular here. Yesterday, we talked about how, okay, we were in this range around here, right? We tried to break out of the range. We got back in pre-market. I remember we were around trading around here, and I said, okay, you could look at possibly two setups. And it's funny, the shorts were induced. I said that if you get a break below this level, you could possibly start entering, but where you really wanted to go big is on the pullback here and on the reversion to the downside. Well, guess what? That did not happen. We had what we could call a liquidity sweep. I remember people talking about asking about liquidity sweeps. Well, that is what that is. We had orders sitting there that was swept, buyers stepped in, and then we went back to the upside. Now, the second scenario actually played out, which was why I left my arrows here. We went up, retested these highs, so call it, this previous pocket, and then pushed back down. So right now, the bears are winning the battle. We had that setup here, break, retest, and move lower. So that would have been a great entry. If you didn't get time to get in, well, now you stay patient and you wait. All right, I hear my doorbell ringing again because somebody else is in the background, and if she's ready, we'll bring her in. Alejandra's in the house.
Good morning. Can you guys see me?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
You almost matched us. You almost matched us.
I knew you were gonna say something.
Warren
I
Blue.
I see. I don't have many blue shirts. I think I need to go shopping.
Well,
Retail
you already
therapy
know.
is needed.
Mission. You got a mission for the weekend.
Yeah. Well, actually, for the month, because I'm going to Vegas next month.
Oh, okay. Man, Vegas is everybody's going to Vegas. I need to catch up.
Come on,
Well, it's
Dave.
'cause
Gotta
it's summertime, you
get
know?
with us.
Man, I got to figure something out. I'm worried. I'm here worried about school supplies and lunch boxes and stuff like that. I got to be in Vegas.
Can't relate.
Caesar's
That's
like, I
funny.
have no idea what you're talking about, dude.
Nah, actually, I do. I do have to go pick up some school supplies. The other day I was talking to my goddaughter's mom, and she was like, "Oh, she needs some stuff. She's starting school." So I'm like, "Do they give you like a list of stuff to get?" Like, cause I'm like, I
They
don't know,
do.
right? They should, right? Don't they?
They do. They give you a long list of things that they're gonna partially use, and you're at the end of the year like, why did I buy this? They have 100-page notebook and they use like 10 pages. But anyways, what you looking at, guys?
See,
In
I
Gal?
Wow.
already went over. Well, for those of you guys joining, let me share my screen. I'm pretty much bearish on the market. They look relatively weak from ES all the way down to NQ. I'm sharing my screen if you want to pull it up.
Yep.
So here on the 4 hour, right? So 4 hour, we haven't broken structure to the upside where we've been making lower highs and lower highs. I'm looking for price to come down and take out yesterday's low and possibly head down to this 28,950 on a larger time frame like the daily. I see way more downside all the way down to 28,000, let's just say 28,300. I do believe today we could see price come and test this 4-hour level of 28,713. So I'm going to be looking for shorts unless price can reclaim 29,419 area. If it can't reclaim that, then it's just more downside. We have a gap to fill at 28,290. ES also has a gap to fill down at 7,500. So as you've been seeing, like we're just making our way lower and lower. We're bear flagging, so I like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set an alert for once ES breaks the low, I can either look to add to NQ or just switch over to ES and take the short as well. So see, oh well, no, that's not what I wanted. Let's see, set this up, set the alert, add or below, and create. Okay, there we go. So right here, so now you see I have my alert. So once it goes off, I'll hear that ping and I'll know, okay, ES is below the lows, the daily low. So I can then probably look to short. I might maybe try to write it down. I mean, if I get in at the 60s, I'll see how write it for like maybe 20, 30 points if we get that. And that's just going to be my plan for today. If price breaks above the highs, I would then be looking for some sort of a pullback into the 77 area for a long, but I don't really see that today unless Trump wants to tweet something.
Yes, indeed. We got to watch at 10:30, 10:32, 10:36 if that happens again. I think there's a question for you here, Caesar. He says, "What are those yellow range boxes on gold?" Oh, I guess he was talking about my chart. I'll go back to my chart in a few.
It looks like Kawish is ready to battle. Good morning, chat.
He's
We
ready for
have.
you.
We
Do you
got
want
we should have 3 people battling today. So Cowish is definitely ready this time. I hope his internet is ready. We made some tests. What was it? Yesterday or the day before? He seemed ready to go. So we'll see if Cowish can, put his money where his mouth or maybe his texts are. Um, and then yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I see you have your charts pulled up.
me? Oh yeah. Yeah, I went live last night on my Discord around like 7:30 10:30 Eastern, and I was actually like showing them the difference between open gaps and fair value gaps, and I was telling them that that's pretty much all I use for like entries and major areas where we could possibly have rejection or resistance. And I told him, I'm like, look, we're in the middle of this range here, and honestly, I just don't like it either way, but I'm more bearish than bullish. And I told them, we couldn't reach this 30-minute bearish fair value gap up here, and we are still in a downtrend. However, we are getting higher lows, so we have 2 options. Either we break above this and we retest to invert that gap, retest it and go higher, or we break below this trend here and we get lower highs, lower lows, and then come down to sweep the lows down here, which was the area that I have that I want to sweep, which is pretty much these lows down here. I took well, actually I didn't take a position. I wanted to just show them like a live trade and show them like my hesitation, right? Like, okay, guys, if I don't feel that this is going to be bullish, then either like, what do you guys think? Should I take the call or should I wait and be patient? And they're like, take it, take it. So I was like, okay, fine. So I took it, and
No pressure.
I took it here. So this was a nice V recovery shape. And I said, look, it's consolidating sideways here, right? So if we draw a straight line, I don't know if you guys could see this little white dash line on the 1 minute time frame.
Barely, but yeah.
Let me see if I can make it not dashed. Okay, there we go. Now I know you could see it.
Yes. I got 4 eyes, so.
All right, so I told them, I said, look, if you don't see any gaps, like you could just use lines like support and resistance. And I said, if we draw a line on the bottom of this range and on the top of this range, all you have to do is wait for that pullback to go long. And we did. We waited, it broke, we had the pullback, and I said, remember, you have this 15-minute gap, and if it gets rejected there, then you just get out. That's all you're gonna get. And this was, I think, like 700 with 1 mini, but it was also with 3 micros, I think it was like 400. So it's not that bad, but still, like, we had a lot of rejection. It was getting boring. I said, all right, let's call it a night. And of course, like Caesar said, we're bearish. Like, it kept getting rejected, rejected below, rejected below. It tried one more time. It held that line perfectly again. And it's just been ranging between, the top of that gap and this support area. So I would have loved to enter short at this area, but obviously that was like what, an almost an hour ago. I missed the entry. So now I don't know if Caesar said, I forgot what he said as far as like retesting or looking for an area to enter in short. And I am going to be looking for shorts as well. I shouldn't even be saying this because Cowish is probably taking notes right now.
It's fine. We could give the details.
But anyway, so yeah, I don't like this area to enter. So the only like possible area that I see that I could enter would be maybe like at the touch of this, below this, and just risk above that area and then ride it all the way down.
Alrighty.
This is what I see.
So on the indices, the thing I've been seeing lately, because I've been seeing a lot of complaints online, people saying, hey, if you survived trading last week, you're a great trader because the market's been tough, et cetera, et cetera.
Mhm.
And while I can't entirely disagree, I think what's going on is just the ranges have compressed. So we went from, an average of 600 points daily range in July to now sub 400, sub 300. So the ranges have been cut in half. So I think that's why a lot of people are struggling. So something definitely to keep in mind. And you were showing your trade yesterday. I think it moved about, what was it, 50 points or 75 points
On that long?
on that retest.
Yeah, from 214 to 270.
Yeah, so that's what, 60 points, give or take.
Yeah, but this
You
is consolidation. I mean, I wouldn't trade consolidation. You can, but you're not going to get much. And I would call these like C minus setups. This would be a B setup where you have a nice double top. You can short the second rejection, risk above the highest, and then aim for the previous low of day, which was down here after this break here. But still, the ranges are not, they're not that good.
they're not ideal, especially for people like me who just like to ride a trend.
Me too.
So yeah, and when you go from 600, 700 point days where you could just buy and then go to bed, and you're just like Jane likes to say, then you go and you're like stuck in the muck where it's just moving. If you didn't catch the opening print, then you're just stuck waiting. So it could be tough. But we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. We got Lallen in the house, diplomatic effects in the house. How you doing? How you doing? So yeah, we're gonna see, but definitely you said you asked your chat if you should be patient or if you should buy calls.
Yeah, I wanted to see their thinking.
Everybody told you to buy, right?
Yeah. Well, I had a guy say he was bullish, and I'm like, why? Like, tell me why. What are your confluences? Just because you think it's bullish doesn't mean it's gonna be bullish. Like,
And what did he
that's
say?
that's what I was trying to get them out of their head, because at the end of the day, you can think whatever the heck you want to think, but you have to read what the chart is giving you. And at the end of the day, I said, yeah, this may be bullish to get rejected, but it doesn't mean that we are actually bullish. It could just be a nice little push for rejection or consolidation. And I said, anytime you see consolidation, I usually just use like the top of the range and the bottom of the range, and then I draw this like volume range profile, and then I'll draw a straight line, like a black line, and I say if it stays below that black line, we're bearish. If it goes above it, then we want to be bullish. And we saw it. We saw it in action. It was really cool to see, because you know how I don't take longs and I'm not excited about the longs.
That
When I
should be the goal for 2027. Is like now Alejandra only takes longs. She doesn't short. I would pay money to see that.
No, I don't want it to be bullish, because if it's bullish, then it makes it harder to trade because it's so high up. It's like, investors are gonna. I mean, I think like bigger, right? I think, how do the hedges think, and how do the investors think? Like, what are they thinking? Because I was also telling them that I was saying on a four. Let's just go to the daily time frame, right? There, I was trying to teach them, like, how do we know if we're actually gonna be bullish or bearish? And I told them, look, as soon as we couldn't go above this area here and this order block, and the order blocks, I use them on higher time frames to determine the trend or the bias, as far as like either bullish or bearish. And I said,
Hmm.
if the hedges or the big ballers are shorting and loading short up here, where would they get out? Would they get out here, or would they use this area to say, okay, every time I hit that area, it pushed. So, okay, maybe they can take profits at this area because that's the range in this area here. But as soon as we started to get lower highs, and it was showing us weakness on a larger time frame, then I would wait for that break of that support area, and then I would load short again and just ride it until the major area of demand. And the major area of demand was down here, just like this area, that black dash line. And I told them, I said, would the shorts continue to stay and get greedy, or would they get out of their position and start loading long? And I was teaching them like how to think ahead. And they all said, well, if it's in a major area of demand, if we've already dropped so much, if you know this is a psychological area where buyers could come in, then obviously get out. Don't overstay your welcome. Like, you could even just get out at 28,000 and just let it do its thing, and then until you see a bullish engulfing or an order block on like a 4 hour or a 1 hour, then that's when you start loading on your calls or your longs. And I told them, but look, guys, we are in a larger time frame, right? How long did it take for this candle to happen to give us confirmation that we are no longer downtrending? As soon as we broke that, it broke on the 30th of July. It broke. You never take the first breakout. You always wait for the pullback. It pulled back on the 31st, which took pretty much one day. And then from the 31st until, let's just say the high of day here, August 17th. So I'm like, guys, this isn't going to happen in one session. And that's what you guys have to realize is that you have to understand the bigger picture and what's actually really happening for you to have an edge, for you to have the odds against you, and for the probability of it going your way is higher than lower. And they were like, wow, so we have to look at the higher time frame. I'm like, yeah.
Yeah, that's usually a good idea. It's usually a good idea.
Yeah.
All righty. Well, we're definitely gonna see what's gonna happen today. Are we gonna continue to push lower, or is this gonna be a miraculous recovery? We shall see. We have Nvidia earnings tomorrow. I'm sure that's definitely gonna influence
Well,
the market. I know
tomorrow?
Caesar.
I think it's
Sorry,
today after
today,
close.
today,
Today,
today, today, today after the close.
today.
Yeah, today's 26th. Sorry, I'm still stuck on yesterday. Somebody said Trump tweeted, and yes, he did.
One right now?
So, yeah, nothing major. He's just said that 22 ships passed the Strait of Hormuz yesterday. So, I would expect more tweets during the day.
Are we gonna battle right like at open or not open, but
No, we
like
choose when we battle. It's not a set
okay.
set time or whatever.
I just want to address the
We're three
chat.
dictators here. We do what we want.
I want to address the chat really quick. Good morning, Midnight Audio, and then Trade with Sakib. Good morning, Ren and Hussy. It looks like you guys are new here, so welcome, welcome. Dave, say your slogan. Welcome to the future side, which is the best side.
There we go. I'm gonna need to make some shirts, some t-shirts, I said helmets, some caps, not helmets.
Yeah,
Some
they might
caps.
need a helmet for the battles today.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Um,
I'm
but
gonna
yeah,
wait for the retest. I want to see. I actually would like to enter short, either at 250, or if it doesn't go above 250, then 220.
all right. Well, we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna wait as usual. And today I'm in battle mode, so
Today, I'm
we'll see
still
what
fighting these
happens.
weird allergies, so I don't know.
Really?
Yeah. Remember, I think I was, oh no, you know what? On Monday after our stream, I started to get like the sick feeling, and I'm like, what the heck is going on? And it's been like that since Monday afternoon.
Really? And it's allergies?
I mean, I don't think I'm getting sick. I never get sick.
First time for everything.
No, Caesar, what the heck?
I don't listen. I
Like
don't
a
wish it upon
negative
you.
Nancy over there.
I don't wish it upon you, but I'm just saying first time for everything. If you've never gotten sick,
No, I didn't say I've
She's
never
like, it's
gotten.
time to start.
I said I usually don't get sick.
uh,
Good morning, Zoe. Good morning, Henry. Zoe, are you trading this morning or what? Are you gonna watch? Did you see the chart? Look at how it got rejected. Zoe's on my Discord. Zoe, do you see how we just got that little push here and we didn't get anything else and got rejected right perfectly at that 15-minute? Look at the rejection, right? So it's like, I don't want to say it's like obvious or like, but if you see the rejection at the top of that 15, like you could easily just take that those shorts, right? And where do I take profits? Well, if it keeps holding at that level, then maybe just take profits at that level, right? I think the market's open.
Market is open.
just open, nice pop. See if we reject this VWAP
They're
area
buying.
for sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna be looking for shorts.
All right. So we had a little bit of news pre-market, but nothing major. Well, actually, we had core PCE, which is actually pretty considerable. Came out. So consensus was 2% and forecast was 3%. Came out at 2%. And then personal spending. What else did we have? All right, so market didn't react too negatively towards that. We're seeing buying here, so we're gonna see what happens. Buyers definitely trying to hold the tape, trying to push this up. So, is this a look up, grab liquidity, like we like to say, above here for a continuation to the downside, or was this buyers stepping in, considering this a pullback and continuing higher? Now, remember, we've just had a Trump tweet saying that ships have passed, and it's funny that it was done 9 minutes before the market open. Is this to push the market up? We shall see.
I'm just doing a quick story on my Instagram.
All righty. Well, let's see. Up or down? I just hope.
Holy moly,
and
that's a
want
big
for us to
push.
be, what?
That's a big push.
Yeah, I want us to get some more range back in these markets, right? I want us to go back to those 500, 600 plus days. So far, we've moved about 108 points, which is great. So we'll see what we get. Hussy B saying it's going to go up 29,355. Okay, that's her target. We'll see if we get that. I'm not taking any trades just yet. I'm going to wait and see what the market wants to reveal. By the way, there was somebody who was asking me about gold. Was it an indicator, etc.? So I'm going to switch to my gold chart. It is not an indicator. Let me see who asked it. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Was it Midnight Audio? No, it wasn't.
So we're reaching that area of resistance again on that 15-minute gap that I have. So I want to see if it holds it, breaks above it, breaks it, and retest. So I'm going to wait for that retest.
All righty. So while we're waiting, I'm going to go back to that gold chart just to show whoever asked what I was showing. You were asking about that yellow box. This is just me highlighting a consolidation area here, right? I had the volume profiles aligned, and well, I didn't have this data yesterday, but yesterday I could see that the midline here was where we had the most volume traded. And it was pretty clear to me that this was a range that we needed to break out of, which we tried to do yesterday. We moved up and then we got back in the range, retested the mid range, went back, broke below, retested the low of that range. And that's what we're doing again here. But if we could stay below these levels, then we could probably continue lower. But if we are able to reclaim and get back into the box, then we'll probably be pushing higher. So we'll see what happens. Henry's saying on the weekly time frame, he's looking for a short. He's looking for the AI bubble to burst. Okay, so you're following this narrative. We'll see. We shall see what happens. So who's gonna battle first? Me?
Who's the opponent?
Well, we got Sakib, he's there, who should battle today when he walks in, and then we had some people sign up. We picked randomly, and we have Harsh, who's gonna come on in a few. So,
it's It's inverting that gap, so I'm looking for a retest of 250.
Alrighty.
Let me let me take this trade and then I can battle first.
Alrighty.
I'm only gonna go in with 3, risking above 275.
Alejandra going in with 3, risking above 275. So we shall see. We got some people in the background ready for battle. We're going to take a look at everyone. Harsh, if you could turn on your camera, I'm going to bring you guys on screen so we could talk a little bit before we battle. I know Caesar and Alejandra are focused on the open.
Yeah.
But
I'm looking to see if this was a fake out. Fuse. It couldn't get over the morning's highs or the London highs. Like we have this massive wall at that 260, between 250 to 280 area. So unless this can break, I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute candle to close. If it can close above it, I'll try along. If it can't, I'm gonna tag in some shorts. I mean, I'm seeing the video just falling off the cliff.
I'm getting faked out. I knew it. I should have waited.
let's see. It
looks like I might get stopped out. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out.
So far, longs are holding. Let's see what we get.
Oh, I was so impatient.
Well, another lesson learned. The man Cowish is back. What's up? Your mic is off. You're off camera.
Yeah. You guys.
Same thing. No, don't say this again, Kavish.
Well, matter is bad. Come on.
Internet does not want. It does
And we
not
did
want.
the test. His internet was decent. I guess it's every time he comes live.
Oh, no bueno.
No, yeah, no.
He's like,
We're gonna do it either way, man. We're gonna do it either way. If we can. So we're gonna do it either way. At what time do you want to battle? 9:45.
Yeah, after the opening range.
The opening range.
Aiva. Yes. After the opening range.
Okay, so share your screen. This way I can get everything ready in the background. Alejandra said she wanted to battle first, so I don't know if you want to battle Cowish or.
Ask him if he wants to battle.
Well, I can wait till anyone, no problem.
You want to battle me or what?
Yes, I can. No
Let's
problem.
go.
All right, let's go. Alejandra's gonna battle Cowish. By the way, move your face, dude. You're off camera.
Okay. I will move.
The thing is that I'm already in this.
Nice. Well,
Can you guys see?
now we can see you. Now we can see you. Very good. We can see your beautiful face.
Thank you.
All right, so it's 9:39. Load up your
Okay, I am
load up
sharing
your
my
black
screen now.
arrow.
We will. Oh yes, I have read black arrows.
Dude, that internet is struggling.
We can start the battle after 10 minutes.
Yes, we'll start it at 9:45, so in 5 minutes.
I hope my internet is good. Last week it was.
Okay, I muted you for a second, Cowish, because we're getting a lot of feedback. But we'll
I'm
get
already
back in
in
there.
with Dave.
So you want me to battle him instead? Because we got to do it,
Yeah, probably.
All right, I'll battle Cowish because
Just so I can
Alejandra's
manage.
already in the trade. Unless Cowish wants to wait. But I think I'll go against you, Cowish.
I might get stuck out here.
No problem. And then, uh-oh. We got Tuyish. It seems like Tuyish is having internet issues as well. What is going on, guys? When we did the test, everything was good. All right. I think I'm gonna battle first. Okay. And then we got Harsh in the house who's ready to battle as well. What's up?
What's up? What's up?
Good, good, good.
Hello, everyone.
Good morning.
Yeah, everybody's focused. Caesar and Alejandra are in trades, so they're focused. You're muted.
So I'm trying to see where to take this short.
So, since Alejandra's already in a trade, we said Cowish is going to battle first. Harsh is going to battle second. All right.
Okay.
So I guess I'm going to go first.
Yep.
Yeah, go for it.
I'm going to go first.
So
You said you wanted to wait 10 minutes. So at what time do you want to start battling, Cowish?
Holy shit, what happened to Meta?
3, 4. Give me
What?
just 3-4 minutes, so I can. 3 minutes, just 3-4 minutes.
No, give me a
3 or 4
time.
minutes.
Give me a time. By the way, you're not sharing your screen. Share your
Are you
screen
listening
because we
me?
need to see it. Oh, okay. Now I got it. I mean, you're a black arrow.
The thing is, in that EV Mox, it is not showing my arrow, so I'm sharing my overall.
Okay, I got it now. Wait, it was showing. Okay, now I got it. We're good. You can leave it there. I'm going to add it, and then we'll be good to go.
Oh, I got sucked out. I'm cooked.
Just let me
Wait, let me see.
okay.
Where's
It still wants
Cowish?
to keep
You got to
going.
wait for me to start the timer, by the way, Cowish, before before the battle.
No, I'm not. 10 minutes. Just 5 minutes.
I could barely hear you, but all right.
Thank you, Literal. That's crazy. Wait, why do we have 2 people on the stream?
Well, these are the people that are going to battle. Harsh is
Against
going to
each other?
battle. No, one's going to battle against me, and then the other one's going to battle against whoever wants to battle.
Oh, shouldn't we do one at a time so we don't
We're definitely going to do one at a time. Cowish is going to go first.
Don't yell at me.
I'm not yelling, sorry. All right, Harsh, I'm going to put you in the background for a second, and then we'll bring you back up in a bit, all right? All right, Harsh is ready to go. He's composed, chilling. All right. Let me just get ready here. I haven't looked at anything much. We're breaking above. Okay. So I'm ready to go when you're ready to go, Cowish. Give me a time.
Just 2 minutes. 2
minutes, that's 9:47. Unless you want us to
Yes.
start exactly at, let's do 9:50. I'll give you 5 minutes.
All right.
This way
All
we
right.
finish
Because I was
exactly.
preparing for this.
This way we finish
Okay.
exactly at 10 o'clock before the 1 hour.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
If you want to enter the competition, you have to join our Discord, and the info is under the description. Dearly Andrani.
So much for that.
Ludiver saying
No
Meta
shorts.
agreed to billions in settlement. You said
Yeah,
you're
Meta.
short?
Nah, I said no shorts. Everything's flipping. So I'm going to be looking for a pullback to get long. Price was able to reclaim that 287 level. Let me look at this here. So yes, I'm looking for longs. 1 hour's completely flipping, 4 hours completely flipping. So yeah, this is gonna be, and Nvidia and Tesla have both flipped to green. So I just gotta find an area to maybe take a long. Let's see.
We shall see. Let's get some music in the background so we can stay animated. I muted Cowish a little bit because we were getting a lot of feedback.
So, I want to be looking for longs as well, above 274. But I want to see if it holds this 15-minute gap or if it's going to be a fake out to the upside.
Yeah.
Let's go. LJ's back in the house. What's up, LJ? Welcome back, man. It was good to have you on yesterday. Pump up the jam.
You're welcome, dearly.
All right, so Cowish's screen is on the right. My screen is on the left. And then we'll see what happens. Good luck, Mr. Cowish. I muted you in the background just so we can, just because of the feedback. But you're going to be battling me. So wish me luck.
Let's go, Cowish. You better win this. Beat Mr. Dave.
Man, you made me sound old, Mr. Dave. All right, 2 minutes before we start. Still got 2 minutes to go. I see Cowish has a 5-minute chart loaded. He says he trades the opening range. So we'll see. I see the hand on his mouth. He's thinking about his life choices. So let's see what we get. We got 1 minute to go, Cowish. Are you ready? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. I'm gonna start the clock in a few. All right, he's ready. Got about 40 seconds before before the battle starts. 30 seconds. And you guys are quiet.
Well, you're battling.
Not yet. All right, we got 13 seconds and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Timer started. 10 minutes on the clock. Good luck, Cowish. Let's see what we get. Now, I am looking. This is overall bullish. So I want to see. Of course, you had to drop in.
I did.
Can't hear
I
you
had
guys.
to.
You had to.
I had to.
You're here to watch me make a fool of myself?
No, I think this is going to be a good battle. I had to see a futures battle going on right here. I think it's going to be good.
Let's see. I wish I can't hear you. What are you saying?
I'm saying that
I can't hear anything, dude.
Kavish, can you turn down your background volume, by the way? It might be a bit better. We'll see.
That's so sad.
You can text, by the way, Cowish. You can text. You can write open chat and text.
Yeah, just talk trash in the chat against Dave. Okay. Just
talk trash. Last time I had the last participant, he made a huge recovery from a negative almost 2,000. He was like a few ticks from losing. He made a massive recovery, but yeah, he made that 1,000, I think $1,300, and then I was patiently waiting. By the way, I have one eye on my chart and one eye on there. So if you see me kind of distracted while I'm talking to you, that's why.
No, it's fair. You're in competition mode.
I'm just chilling. This is a feeler trade. I usually wait. It's like buyers are stepping back in.
Cowish, can you just turn down your
put your black arrow on screen, by the way, Cowish. Oh, he's saying his account is disabled. Oh, dude. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me check something. Are you sure you're on the right account? By the way, a lovely wedding picture.
Beautiful.
So press buy or sell, whatever, so we can see with one contract.
The reset went up 29 to 80.
Either way, Cowish, one thing you can do for me, just turn down that speaker volume, okay? So we don't get that feedback through the stream. If you can do that for me, that's amazing. That will be good. Nice. So have it just enough so you can hear everything, but turn down just a little bit so we don't get that feedback.
All right, it seems like Cowish's account is all right. I'm gonna close my trade because Cowish's account seems to be disabled. So I'm getting you some more credits, Cowish.
Can we run it on like a sim? Does that work?
No, because the sim won't. I mean, once he runs out of, once he hits the sim doesn't have a stop. Like there's not a drawdown limit.
What's up, LJ?
I see what you're saying. Yeah.
I think he didn't hear you. Caesar's saying, "What's up?"
Yeah, why does it look like he got like Einstein's chalkboard?
The man is a physicist.
Well, this
Literally,
over
yeah,
here.
bro.
Yeah. Dude, yeah, that's what I like some math.
Okay.
That's what I. Yeah, that's what was.
That breakout.
Does that help you with trading?
I put it this way. I dropped out studying at uni, doing math, physics, jargon, garbage, to start trading, and haven't looked back.
So you kind of borderline a rocket science type of thing. That's what you're telling us.
I don't know if I'm quite at that level, but
I
do
mean,
like
listen,
that.
if you started
That way.
studying physicists, that's up there.
Put this way, I definitely put a bunch of math, bunch of options data, more complex math into my trading as well.
Hey,
So
respect. I
I do
like it.
I do like it.
I like it a lot. Okay,
Yeah.
love it.
But yeah, how are we doing, guys? In general.
Oh man, these longs are looking good.
How's the trading week today?
So far good. Very good. Had a very good Monday. Yesterday made a little something before having to get on a flight. This morning looking to see what I can capture. I did some trading last night during the Asian session. Made a couple bucks, nothing to rave about, and trying to see if I can catch a trade today. I was very short biased, but apparently Daddy Trump was speaking and he said some things and tweeted about ships going out of the Strait of Hormuz, which is the market always finds that positive, and here we go.
Fair.
I inverted my chart. The short looks good.
All right, Harsh, can you unmute yourself? Hello. Well, we're gonna have to do the battle with you, man. I see that you're ready to go. You've been patiently waiting in the background, so I'm gonna load up everything here so that we can do this. I'm down at 69 bucks, so you have a huge advantage because I was about to battle Kawish, but that didn't happen. But we're gonna do this in about 3 minutes. What do you usually trade? Tell us about yourself, Harsh. By the way, help me out, guys. I'm trying to make this in the background.
Okay.
Yeah. What do you normally trade?
I think it's delayed a bit.
Yeah, it might be. I gotta say, Dave, you're down $69 though. That's
What an interesting number, huh?
intentional
I
or?
can't trade for now.
Are you talking? Who's this one?
Like I
This is
trade each digest for now for the battle, but I normally trade.
oh yeah.
Okay, we can barely hear you, Harsh, but that's fine. We're gonna do the battle either way. I'm gonna wait We're gonna wait about
69 seconds.
69 seconds. We're gonna wait just a little bit, and then we'll get this going. By the way, Kawish, you have been sent a new account, so go and check your account and get ready, dude. Please, you've had so many chances here. All right, let's switch to the battle screen.
Let's do it.
All right, Harsh. Don't be so harsh on yourself if you lose.
Okay, give me a thumbs up if you're ready to go, Harsh, because I can't hear you. We're gonna start right at 10 o'clock, so we got about 45 seconds. All right,
Okay.
and then
Can we go 10-5? Can we go on 10-5?
can you go 10 what?
10:05. Can you go at
10:05? Oh, okay, yeah, we could do 10:05.
6 minutes to go.
10-5.
Perfect. We could do 10:05. No problem.
Yeah.
We can chill.
All right.
Yeah.
We're missing the breakout, but it's fine. This was a
Hey,
nice
yeah,
pullback
you don't-
retest. Like this was the entry right there. But hey, who cares?
You're missing the hourly turnover.
Yeah,
But that's how it goes.
indeed. I heard somebody said Daddy Trump. Did Trump tweet again?
She did.
What did he say?
No, it was the Strait of Hormuz, but like apparently
Oh, I thought it was-
he was speaking.
Okay.
Apparently, the U.S. blockade in Hormuz is working. 22 ships have passed through the Hormuz Strait last night.
Yeah, that's what he tweeted this morning. So.
That's Daddy Trump. Yeah, yeah, pretty much. That's what I'm saying.
By the way, sorry to interrupt you. Harsh, you see there's a little icon like that. Click it on your chart. This way we can see your P&L. Top right. Yeah, you're almost there. No. Go down. Go to the right. Right there. Look at my chart. Right there. Nope. Right above the price.
So top right.
No, go to the left. To the left. Right there. Whoa. The blue thing. Dude, you're so close.
No. So on the chart, see, just
move slowly. Stay above the price. Slightly down. Right there. Click that.
That's it.
Yep. Okay. Thank you. You're not on the right account, by the way. So click where it says SIM. Go down. It says SIM. And Harsh and your name. It says SIM 293. You're moving too much. A little bit lower.
Slow. Go slow. Okay. Back to the left.
Look at my screen. You need to click this.
Yeah. Copy Dave. You can see where his mouse is.
Click this.
Yep, that one. Correct.
Click it.
Find the other account.
No, move up where it says SIM29 and then Harsh, your name. Right there. Click that. Why are you moving so much, man? Look at my screen. You see my mouse? You see my mouse, right?
Is it correct?
Do you see my mouse?
1 second. Yeah.
Look at my screen. You need to go there and click this to select the right account.
Yeah.
So go on your black arrow, click there. All right, you're good. You're on the right account now. You're good.
Okay.
All right, you said 10:05. What time is it? It's 10:03. We got 2 minutes to go. By the way, I haven't seen you guys' battle. How did that go? Did what's his name? Buyu? Did he battle? Because he beat us here.
He did. No, not today. Not this week. So I think Buyu will be coming up soon. He'll have to battle. He won the battle, and now he's randomly got a job with us now.
What? That's crazy.
Yeah, dude. I straight up, I was like, it's like, we need this guy. Get him in. Right now. He's good. He's
good.
We need this man.
He had a miraculous recovery, I think, against Caesar.
Yeah, and he's been in the community for a very long time, all that kind of stuff. So beautiful to see. This week, Rich lost.
Really?
Yeah, he did.
Okay, so everybody usually wins.
Not always. I think we've got a pretty kind of 50-50 split 50-50? In general for us. Yeah,
kind of like us.
It depends. Yeah, it depends. Obviously, it's a very short time frame, that kind of thing, and occasionally, I think we've got 100% loss rate for the hosts when they go all in, full margin.
Got it. Yeah, that usually.
Yeah. Which, it's a competition. You've got like a minute, 2 minutes left.
Yeah.
You do have to do it sometimes, but has not worked at this point.
Okay.
So far.
All right. Well, it's 10:05. So, Harsh, we're gonna go right now. Start. I started the timer.
There we are. 10 minutes.
Good luck.
Let's go. Let's go.
See. I still want a short. But we shall see. How's that 1 hour looking? Is it a pullback or continuation higher, or should I start nibbling in? All right, we're going to start nibbling in.
Curious.
Let's
It's gonna be
see.
very interesting.
Yeah, small risk, and then if that doesn't work, then you know, we'll flip it. All right, Harsh. What is he doing? I can't look at his. Oh, he's short also.
Dave, you trying to reverse trade what Harsh is doing right now?
I'm not. No, he's short. I'm short. We're both short. I'm not even looking at the Harsh, honestly.
Do you gotta what lot size do we have?
Who's here, guys? It's Mr. Steve himself.
Yo,
Oh,
good morning,
Steve.
everybody. How we doing, guys?
Yeah.
Hey,
Welcome, man.
good to be here,
Good to
guys.
see you again.
I hear we're
Everybody wants
shorting.
to battle.
Everybody wants to battle, but nobody has good internet. And we're like, what's going on?
Hey, Steve, you got good internet? You want to battle?
I mean, I can see all you guys, and I think you can see me. So, I have working internet.
Sorry, what was that, Steve? I think you're like cutting out.
Oh no, do I have bad internet too?
No, not you.
Are we gaslighting Steve first thing in the morning? That's always fun.
Good to see you, man.
Likewise. How we doing
How are you
today?
Yeah, good. Very good.
Doing good. Doing this battle here against Harsh, trying not to make a fool of myself. How much is Harsh
Distraction.
down?
Just making it extra hard for you.
Thank you. Harsh down about $100. Seems like he has the trick.
It was terrible. That was terrible.
All right. Is Harsh just copying what I'm doing? Harsh, are you just copying what I'm doing?
That'd be pretty smart. I should start doing that.
No.
No? Are you sure?
Yeah, I can share my
I see. We see your screen. We see your screen.
analysis screen on the trading view. So you can.
Now you're good. You're good. You're good.
Someone do something rogue, like trade oil futures or gold or euro
Soybean
dollar
futures.
futures or something else.
I was thinking, man, should I trade gold for a change? But I don't know. Oh, Will Davies is in the.
I think gold's actually been pretty good.
Gold
Yeah,
is-
Will is in the chat. He was
Will
coming
is in
on
the
to,
chat.
I think, support Kavish. He's a regular viewer of ours
Nice.
over on the other stream as well. So, unfortunately, internet issues today, but nonetheless, Will has come in here for support.
Nice.
He did say he would, and he is here. So,
He's a man of his word. That's good. I like it.
yep.
All right. How much time we got? We got 6 minutes, so it's not time to full port just yet.
Full margin. What size account are you guys trading this?
50Ks.
50K.
Nice.
Alright.
Wait, he's already up like 1,500. Why aren't you taking it?
Oh, he wants to beat me.
Yeah, gotta go for the throw. You gotta.
Wait,
gotta
what
make
is he
it a
trading?
definite
Oh, he's
victory.
trading the NQ while I'm trading the micros.
Maybe you should be
And
copying
he's
him,
trading
Dave.
the ES at the same time.
Come on,
What?
Dave. Come on.
Dude.
I believe.
So he's full margin. He's a full contract. All.
Well, balls
All right,
in your
let me
court,
stop
Dave.
talking.
How do you respond to this?
Let me stop
Double your
talking.
margin. And then go all in
Let
somehow.
me stop talking. All right, we got 4 minutes to go. I'm just trying to make balance time and a possible reversal.
There's a a lot of game left to be played, so to speak.
Yeah, because if we reverse, then I gotta make sure. Whoa.
I don't know, Steve. I think 4 minutes is a very short amount of game left, to be honest. Like, I think we've got one direction. We got one 5-minute bar. That's it. Come on, Dave. Come on. Press it.
I'm trying to press it.
Come on.
You take this so much time to try and be a responsible trader, and then
I know.
Like you gotta now you got a full port, you got a full margin.
That's the trouble with the
He's up
competition.
$1,800, right?
Yeah, the competition stuff is hard because like no one should trade this way normally ever. But you're like
not
forced
conducive to the easiest trade. It's conducive to stressing out, but being great entertainment for the rest of us. So we appreciate your sacrifice.
All right.
This is not love Polish.
If I don't get if this doesn't drop from here, then this is reversal. How much is he up? 1,800. All right, we got 3 minutes to go. There's not much more I could do here. So
I'm gonna say
it's either gonna drop and do what it does, or he's gonna win 244. 244.
Wow.
Let's see. Do we get that drop? What'd you say, Harsh?
There we go.
I can't hear you, Harsh. Let's get it, baby. When's a
I'm
good
in this
drop
too,
when you
guys.
need it?
I had to join in.
Get it. Let's get it.
The NQ will drop till the last recent low.
You said the NQ will drop till the last recent low?
Hello.
I'm listening. We got
It
2
will
minutes.
drop till this low.
All right. Can I get this TP, though? Because I need to be double what you made at least to beat you.
I think you
You're
gotta
up
take out
2,000.
Dave.
What'd you say?
I think you gotta take out at this point. I think we've hit the interim low for the next 2 minutes. You know
what?
tap that out.
It's
Take
either
that TP, reverse the trade.
Too
All
much.
in.
I'm not gonna
You
touch
gotta
it.
do it. You gotta do it. You gotta do it.
Let's wait.
What's the
Let's
was that
wait.
52? Where you at? What's your
1,800, 2,000. He's up 2,127. So I could be up I need to be up 3,000 at least.
I think you gotta TP here and then look for a bit of a bounce.
We got 1 minute and 30 seconds. I'm not gonna get a bounce in 1 minute and 30 seconds.
I think
1,
you're
2,
getting
3.
it right now. The trials and tribulations of real time.
You know how every time you
account
buy,
values.
it goes down? That's what's going through my mind. I don't want to buy and then it goes down because I was
Hey, that's
already in the right direction. So I'm either gonna lose or it's gonna keep going down. All right, we got 56 seconds to go.
This is giving me PTSD to my battle, where I realized with about 2 minutes left that I needed to do something wild to catch up.
Yeah, there's no way I'm gonna catch up here. I could
This
add
price
to the
action
trade,
is so whack, though.
I could add to the trade.
Even Will is saying risk it for the biscuit. Come on, do it.
To the downside. I don't want to go to the upside. 10-14. I'm adding.
It's adding. Let's go.
Adding again.
Full margin.
Do what you're gonna do. Assets drop. Somebody put some red arrows. Somebody sell. All BlackRock.
We got glass half full Dave today.
Dude, he's got the poker face going on and everything.
David Solomon.
Ooh.
You gotta close, Harsh. I'm up 1,400. You gotta close. Oh man, he beat me. He's up 2,000. All
was
right,
insane.
congratulations, Mr. Harsh. See, now
Very nice.
Now it freaking drops. Now it drops. Now it drops. Now it drops.
Class. Don't hate me, guys. I'm still in my short.
Congratulations, Harsh, man. You beat me. You beat me by about $600. What's your total? Let's see. 1,967, and I'm 1,481. So good
Congrats.
battle, man. Good battle.
Very nice.
So let me ask you a couple of questions. So how long you been trading? Because you were calm, cool, collected.
It's a very cool. I'm very cool. My English is little bit weak because my English is not a native language. I speak normally a Hindi language.
Your English is great.
But I trying to. Yeah, thank you. Appreciate. Yeah. So I usually trade for now the NQ and the metal as well for the London session, but on the New York session I mostly trade NQ and stuff like that after the
Okay.
9:30 open. Yeah.
Well, it shows that you could trade the NQ because you killed it. So good job, man. Good job. You did a great job. You beat me fair and square. You made double the required amount, which was $1,000 in 10 minutes. So yeah, man. Good job, and you'll be receiving your account very soon. Thank you for participating. Great job, man.
Yeah, thank you.
All righty. And now back to our regular programming. Dude, I wanted to full margin, but I didn't want to get those little pops, and then it stopped me out. But yeah, it was
Dave.
close because it got to my TP then.
You got like 30 seconds.
I needed
minute.
30 more seconds.
120 seconds. 240 seconds left. You gotta go full margin at that point. Like, you got no other option. You need to take it home.
Here's the thing, dude. It's you train all the time not to do this stupidity. Okay, and every bone in my body was telling me, don't do it. It's stupid. Anyways.
Yes.
I
It's
know
so
it's
against
deep.
your natural granular activity. Like, you don't want to do this anytime, but you're like, I gotta win the competition. Can I do it?
Exactly.
Very hard.
Congratulations, Harsh. So who's gonna battle next? Because we got two more. We got Cowish in the background. Let's hope. Cowish, what's up?
What are we doing, man?
You ready to go?
Better.
Oh, now I'm seeing the chat. All right, you're back. Cowish, are you ready to go? I think Caesar and Alejandro are making so much profits in the background. I can't hear you. You're muted.
Oh, wait. I've just realized. Have I been muted this whole time?
Nah, you're good.
Okay,
Caesar's
good.
muted. Yeah, Caesar's muted. I don't know why.
I think I was just like for a second there.
Yeah, for like 2 seconds.
Okay, there we go. Yeah.
There we go. The man is back. I was like, "What?" It's the most quiet I've ever heard Caesar for the whole time we've been streaming. Now I know why. You see, here's the bounce. Now it's the bounce.
I guess I'm not the only one. Not the only one's having some tech issues today.
You're having tech issues?
Yeah, because I was having a hard time switching my mic back on.
Got it.
I think I'm good now.
All right.
Some fun stuff.
So, Mr. Cowish, are you ready to go?
Caesar, are you battling him?
I thought actually this is your guy. I'm not set up for it.
All right,
On you.
let me pull up my black arrow.
All right, Alejandro's gonna get ready for you. Oh man,
Let's go.
isn't it funny? A day you make $1,400 in profit, you feel sad. Wait, your mic's off. Everybody's having tech issues.
All right, there we go. Much better.
All right, when do we start?
We start whenever Cowish says he's ready.
Cowish.
Let me see.
Do we have our screens ready?
Let's see. Is
Same
Cowish ready? I'm writing him because we can't hear him.
Can you see my black arrow?
Give me 1 second. I'm gonna get you ready in the background.
I just trimmed my short for whatever that's worth.
Uh-oh.
Was that on NAS, S&P?
Actually, I'm shorting socks, so I'm shorting the chips right now. So that was with SOXS. I've been a fan of that one, catching some of that volatility on the chips in both directions. So that's the easy mode for me when I'm on stream, just scalping shares in the personal account.
What do you reckon with NVIDIA?
If I could tell you, I'd be a millionaire, my friend. What I know is that it's going to be a big pivotal moment for the AI infrastructure trade. I am cautiously optimistic. I'm still holding my shares of NVIDIA. I'm also seeing cracks in the structure. I'm seeing some spookiness. We had Broadcom with some potential credit risk flags going on. All of a sudden, there's a little bit of spookiness in the air. I'm also seeing the strength in commodities. And I'm sure you've been watching that as well, all across the board. So it's been a blast. I've been shifting my exposure to a lot of stuff like uranium, copper, biotech.
We're missing the short.
But we'll see, brother. It's going to be fun either way.
Where is this?
All right, I'm curious. I think NVIDIA will still perform. Net. I do agree with that spookiness. I think we've seen. I had another chart and that kind of stuff with massive deleveraging in general from hedge funds and all the rest.
All right,
I think. Sorry, Dave.
No, sorry. No, I was talking to myself. Sorry, guys.
Okay. Yeah, no, I was going to say, I think across the board, people are getting kind of spooky in general with where we are positioned in the market. Do we keep running on, or do we need like a pause point, bit of a pullback, some kind of consolidation for a period, and then run on? Sorry to interrupt. Kevin Walsh on Friday.
Guys. Ready or not, we're going to go because we've been waiting for this. Cowish, we're going to go. Alejandro,
come on, Cowish. You ready?
Yeah,
give me a thumbs up.
Your screen is up. Cowish, if you're ready, give us a thumbs up.
All right, he's in.
He's ready.
Let's
Start,
go.
Go. This has been 2 weeks in the making. So.
All right, guys, come on. Here we are. Cowish, Alejandro. Let's go.
Let us go.
Who is going to be the winner?
9 minutes and a half. Let's see.
Gonna be the shorting queen.
Or the guy with slow internet. Who loves to call us beautiful.
My money's on the luxurious hair.
Of course.
Why, thank you, Caesar.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You kind of happy hiding it from us today, but you know we'll let this slide.
Next time. Can't give it away all for free, you know.
Beautiful. It's going to be interesting. I'm curious.
What are you curious?
We got opposing trades right now, long and short.
He's long.
I like it.
Ooh.
If he's long, he's about to get cut.
I like it. He's red so far.
Yeah, he's long. He's about to get cut. This thing is about to unwind.
Classic perma bear Caesar.
I'm not always bearish, but I was today because again I'm going off of the higher time frame, and I see this level to the downside that I know ES is going to come down to, And then like I'm looking at Nvidia, and I don't think Nvidia is gonna beat their earnings in a manner that the market is going to like, right? And then you have this massive continued sell-off. You have this fear in the AI space. It's not looking too good.
Well, you're raising an interesting point. I don't think anybody's expecting bad numbers from NVIDIA, but the question is, are they good enough to continue this re-rating process when we're looking forward? Because, I mean, we're all looking at the same backlogs when we're looking at these memory producers in particular, but really all across the infrastructure chain. The question is, do we care? You know, how forward-looking are we? How much has been priced in, so to speak, and how much is just starting to unwind? So I'm fence sitting, don't get me wrong. I'm still holding my shares, but I have been de-risking quite substantially in the rest of the trade. NVIDIA, I think, is just about the safest name you can be in this space, but that doesn't mean it's very safe if everything's good.
It doesn't mean we won't have a pullback, which I think we're going to have a pullback on it today. Maybe a slight spike, but I don't see, like someone was talking about like 250, possibly 200. I don't see that. Again, just based off of the current conditions and the sentiment. And for them, like, there's such a high bar of expectation for NVIDIA that it's just like, if they even miss it by a slight bit, the market is just not going to react.
I mean, miss, or even if they are not as stellar as the market thinks, you know?
Right.
Yeah.
I don't think they're gonna have good results.
I don't think
stellar results.
Yeah, I don't think they'll miss. I think that it's just going to be a case of, you know, they beat earnings, but it's not this, astronomical that the market's like, yeah, we can continue, you know, running it up. It's like, okay, you know.
I think we've come into that portion where it's like, how good is good enough? Like, even if it's a beat, it needs to be better than a general beat. Just like you were saying.
Cowish, it's okay. You can cry later.
I was about to say, Alejandro's just relaxed, making profits, and then I see Cowish is, look at Cowish.
I know that feeling.
The shorts are in, man. Told you, like, it's like I'm looking at my cheat sheet, and my cheat sheet is saying this is what has a whole lot of more downside.
There we go.
And again, it's like I'm looking at NVIDIA, dude. The NVIDIA's just making lower lows. This is just getting beaten. And so is Tesla. Like, this is just, bye-bye.
Yeah, this is not a pretty chart. I gotta say, it is interesting watching where the pockets of strength are. You are having the obvious, winners, so to speak. Lily's still down 1% on the day, but you're seeing that little bit of a bid since we've started to slide. Also interesting to see Meta actually joining the club as kind of an off meta, so to speak. Asymmetrical long here, kind of, I think, decoupled due to its potential settling of its lawsuit. So this is one long that I am in. I'm $2 red on my couple shares there, so we'll see if I make it out alive. But I like it. I like the trade. I think it's cheap here and people chase it higher.
I do agree. I think it's hard to bet against Zuckerberg in general. Like, it's
easy mode, right? Like, we don't have to make it hard. We can just buy the best companies in the world on dips. Like, sometimes I think we overthink things. I do.
Exactly.
So, by the way, I'm going to take this question. Vioden saying, how do we enter? Do you provide demo accounts, etc.? So you have to be a member of our Discord community, and then we post the a link where you can sign up for the battles, and that's how you sign up. Sometimes we do it on stream for our loyal viewers. We did that last week. That's how Cowish got featured. But so stay tuned, get into our futures community, and you'll be able to battle. Go Cowish. Everybody's rooting for Cowish. Cowish has almost blown up the account.
Well, he's the fan favorite. We're all rooting for the underdog. No offense, Ale.
No, I'm on Alejandro's side.
None taken. I'm good.
Listen, I'm on Alejandro's side.
I
don't want the smoke.
Cowish has made us suffer too much with internet issues.
You guys can be on Cowish's side, so he doesn't feel too bad.
I don't want to battle Alejandra. She seems like she'll rub it in when she beats me.
All right, we got 3 minutes on the clock. What will it be?
Well,
I like your setup, Alejandro. That
Thank
color
you.
profile. It's very nice. Do like it.
Yeah,
Good.
all my charts are color purple.
LJ, do they have Good and Plenty candies down under? Do you know what I'm talking about?
What?
Okay, they're called
What
Good
is
and
that?
Plenty's. The box is those exact shades of white and purple, and that's all I can think of. And apparently, I'm the only person on Earth who knows what this candy is, because nobody else understands what I'm talking about.
Well, I definitely have no idea what you're talking about as well.
I'm a man on an island over here. I thought you could help me out, LJ, but all right.
What type of candy is
Bad candy. They suck. They're like little pieces of plastic. It's like eating Legos. I don't know why anybody does, but I remember distinctly.
it? Is that like the regular like candy corns and that kind of stuff you guys get in the US, which are also rubbish?
Somehow worse, but yeah, kind of that same energy at the very least. You know, it's giving candy corns, if nothing else.
Right.
Maybe they're licorice. They might be licorice. Nothing good.
You're making me think of that song Candy Rain.
Candy rain.
It's
Hot
hell.
Chocolate rain. Remember that one?
Purple rain.
There.
Yeah, I was gonna say purple rain. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Purple
Yeah.
Some of us are more cultured than others. I was thinking of that old internet meme.
Cultured, or is this like an age thing? I don't know. I think we've something like
Oh,
that.
man.
know.
Shots fired, shots up the board.
Dude, I'm in that same category. Like I shot myself at the same time.
is it a culture?
Man, we got a minute and a half left. Who will take it home? So far, the lady is greener. The grass is greener on the lady side. So. At least the P&L is greener.
It's more purple.
It's very purple. Yeah.
Very purple.
Purple.
50 seconds to go.
Purple rain.
Oh, man.
Do we have any news?
Not at the moment.
No news that I know of.
Not seeing anything too crazy. There
want
was
some?
weekly oil inventories 2 minutes ago. I don't think we care.
Who you calling?
I can call Trump.
Call Trump.
That's been Trump.
Call Trump.
Yeah.
On the Trump phone.
What news do we want?
Oh man. All right. We're almost there. We have 10 seconds to go. Who's gonna take it? It's pretty
That's
obvious.
not
Five,
fair.
Mark.
Price action is going up.
3. It stops. All right.
Do I close
done.
it?
Yeah, you can close it. Cowish lost either way.
Close out. Close out.
He's down 170, and Alejandra is up. I can't see how much, but
480.
there we go. 480.
Cowish, I'm sorry.
Cowish, let me finally turn the mic on. You can speak now.
He took his mic. Come on, Dave.
Oh, that's hella shady.
The thing is, there was a lot of feedback. What's up, Cowish?
Cowish, are you okay?
Nobody wins every trade. Come on now.
Unmute your mic, dude. Unmute your mic.
Tune versus Arena. Excuse me, but I don't know if you saw. I won. Thank you.
Dude, the "Are you okay?" is so brutal. Like,
So brutal. So brutal. It's like, are you?
that was.
Don't cry.
God damn it, Alejandro. Like,
Hey,
He's
he
saying-
wanted to go
he's
against the
saying-
short queen. That's what he gets. Mike,
Adding
Mike-
long at the wrong time. Will
Cowish.
saying he showed up. Even with Will showing up, Cowish. Uh-oh,
He's
Cowish.
out of here. He's out of here.
oh no, Cowish! I'm sorry.
I feel like I missed a whole saga, a whole backstory here.
Well,
It's
because
been
we were supposed to battle last week, and then like he was hella ready, and then he couldn't, and then he's back.
He's back. Oh man, we're doing the same thing as last week.
Yeah, this is what
That was-
happened last week.
You look like a guy who goes on first dates and not on second dates.
That's hella shady. Damn.
Guys, oh my god, you guys are brutal on here. Holy
The future side is
just
best.
Scared to battle, you guys.
Jesus.
Damn, Dave.
Oh my goodness.
He's married. He's fine. You just see his desktop.
Holy hell.
Taking no prisoners. I love it.
Oh man. Well, congratulations. Alejandra wins again.
Oh, somebody's got to stop her, guys. Who's gonna put an end to her reign? Who's gonna dethrone the short queen?
It's up to you.
It's up to me. Oh no,
Yeah.
it didn't go very well last time. I don't know.
You're gonna get brutalized
No?
the same way if you lose.
What's up, Will?
Thanks for the vote of confidence. I appreciate that.
No, if that was not a. I think you
Sounded like a more of a when, not if. But no offense taken, brother.
It's all
price
good,
action
Cowish.
low.
It's all good, man. Thank you for participating. We love you. You know, keep jabbing, keep hammering. You technically have an account. You can keep trading that account. So all good, man.
Yeah, nice.
There we go.
We got a little bit of a pop here.
All right, guys, we have 48 people watching, and we only have 25 likes. Click that like button. I'm sure
Yes.
you guys are enjoying these battles.
The things we do for you, folks. Come on now, hit that like
I
button.
know.
Appreciate it.
Steve,
What's
press
up?
the like button.
Me press the like button?
Yeah, it's you that hasn't done it. Obviously.
You don't know this. you might be right, but you don't know. I'm definitely not navigating to YouTube in my side monitor here.
Come on, Steve.
What is going on with this price action, though? Like, it's so annoying.
It's taking a sweet time. We flushed straight through VWAP. Coming back into the open on SPY at least. I think we backtest VWAP and then maybe give it another leg down. I hope. I don't know.
Only the truth. You got me, dude. You got me. I'm talking trash when I actually don't even go on dates. So you got me there. Touche.
Dang.
I've been looking
Who
at
am I kidding? Me?
Everybody's against me. Everybody's like, "Wow, Dave, that's."
Dave played the WWE style
I
heel.
apologize.
He said, "You look right here, brother. Let me tell you something. You got a face for radio, and I'm gonna let you know it."
I didn't mean it like that, guys. Come on. Steve, I wanna. You have your screen up, so I definitely wanna take.
Yeah,
a
what I
look
was gonna
at-
show you guys, if you wanted, we could get into a little preview for NVIDIA earnings. I'm doing a presentation later.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Let me get your screen up. Give me 1 second. I'm having.
Sure.
I never knew
Well,
I
we
could
can.
do so much multitasking.
I'm very curious. This.
Man of many hats.
Damn, you, Sam. Why are we hating on Kawish so much?
Guys, we're a family here. Ohana means family, and family means we
Yes.
stick together. So I don't want to hear none of this. All right, what we got here? Just a little bit of a little info sheet. We got a crazy layout or crazy lineup, I should say, coming in after hours here. So it's not just the star of the show, NVIDIA. We also have two big representatives from the cybersecurity space, as well as another in the SaaS space, I should say, in Salesforce. So we have the hardware, but we also have the software on tap for tonight. What happens if they all take a beating? Well, that could be a little bit of a well, I don't want to say a little bit. It could be quite a waterfall on the Qs if we have both of these kind of barbells both turning off at the same time, right? We've seen a lot of shifting back and forth between these baskets of hardware and software, of check cashers and check writers. As the hyperscalers and the hardware kind of go back and forth, they've been able to kind of, I don't want to say Ponzi scheme the Qs up the ladder, but you know what? the money's all going in a circle, and it works until it doesn't. We're seeing inflows into hard assets, into commodities. We're seeing outflows in a lot of the tech names. Where does this lead us? Well, you know what? I'm not really sure. But give me 1 sec while I make sure I'm not getting smoked in my trade. Let me close this up so I can actually focus a little bit better here.
Interesting.
Apologies there. Give me 1 sec, guys. I
No,
just got an
you're
alert
good.
in the back. Yeah, okay. We're not. I got a runner on the short still, hoping that we would kind of tap and reject. But you know what? Let's
I'm telling you, this price action
its
is.
thing. So on the
Really, Usam? I thought you were on my side.
I know.
You're calling
That's
me
how
a
it's
simp.
shady.
So what are we seeing here? So it's there's that interesting push and pull kind of from those two sides of the tech barbell there. What I really want to watch for is a couple things. So first off, data center still doing just about almost all the work here, and I'm watching the kind of Blackwell to Rubin commentary very closely. I want to see the consensus estimates on that transition. Or I'm sorry, consensus estimates on that transition have come down about 5% since March, so I'll be watching that very closely. Any confidence that Jensen is really showing on that $1 trillion cumulative Blackwell and Rubin path, that's going to matter a lot more than the headline beat to me, and so that's what I'm going to be watching for closely. What else do we got here? China remains the wild card on this name. So by that, I mean, essentially, well, it has been for over a year, but any specific commentary there is going to move the stock regardless of the top line number.
Bless
The
you.
ability for them to sell over there is, and you know, what restrictions are put on that is going to hold a lot of water here. So in a nutshell, the bull case is looking like this. Data center reaccelerating, the guidance coming in meaningfully above consensus, with the implied vol this low relative to history. The stock can run hard if we do get that confirmation. That being said, the bear case is this. This thing's kind of priced to perfection still. Even hedged, like kind of good, not great guide could really trigger that kind of sell the news cohort, and we get that reaction like we've seen on some other mega cap AI names. So that is what I'm watching for. If you guys want, we could go over a few of the other ones as well. We could leave it there. But either way, though, we're going to be talking about a lot of fun names tonight on the earnings stream. We have, like I said, the CrowdStrikes, the Oktas, the CRMs, but also some other fun ones here. Viva Systems, very cool chart, and very very interesting space. There we have Synopsys, a high quality company, Agilent, another long term, member of that kind of. They're kind of a how would I even put it? I don't even know. They're just a kind of staple in the space. We'll be getting more into all of these. And the last but not least, HPQ for some more color, some more read through on this AI hardware trade. So interesting stuff across the board, but obviously NVIDIA is really the star of the show, and we'll be watching that very closely. I'm looking forward to tonight, though. I think it's going to be the biggest earnings print of the year. So I'm hoping, I know you guys are futures traders, but I'm hoping some of you will wander on over to the Trade the Pool stream as we get into this stuff at 3:30 Eastern time.
I'll be there.
He'll be there. Yeah, I'll be there.
Nice.
I'll be there.
I'll see if I can drop in
awesome.
for a quick minute, a hot minute.
Yeah, I'm in. This is just the little info deck. I got a full presentation. I've been kind of working at, polishing up. I think it's good. I'm excited for you guys. And
I like what you do, Steve. Very good.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
See a lot of what you actually produce. I agree with it.
That means a lot, dude.
Very good. Yeah. Very nice.
That is a good thing.
Cool.
Caesar is looking concerned here in the background. I've been
This-
watching Caesar's face the whole stream because that man has been quiet. So he's either having the massive green day or a massive red day.
I'm not red. I'm green.
Okay.
Green. So yeah, I'm just trying to see if I want to continue to trade this or not.
I feel that.
I still like the shorts, but I don't like this this little pop right here. So I'm just gonna wait till like London close and see what else it can give. But I think this is gonna flop towards the end of the day. But yeah, just been focused looking at the charts and going
You
back.
have been focused indeed. Because I've been looking at your face. That man's face has been like, what is going on? It's,
Yeah.
you know,
Dude,
Yeah.
it's because he's
are
so
you speaking
green.
to Congress? What's going on?
Yeah, he's trying to pick out his new Ferrari, Lamborghini, whatever. He's specking that out.
Not yet.
Second
Not
tab,
yet.
that kind of thing.
Oh,
Like,
nah.
oh, dude, this man's so green right now.
Listen, if it was that, y'all would have known. But nah, it's just trying to determine entries and exit, and like, are we gonna continue? And it's just like, ugh, kind of over this.
Yeah, I'm kind of over it today too. I'm decently red on the day. I got biotech this morning, guys. One of my high conviction companies released data that is good, but apparently that is sell the news. So
Yeah,
happy
dude.
birthday to me.
I like that.
That's
I
fine.
got
It's a long-term
biotech.
hold, is what you tell yourself. That's what you tell yourself.
You went from a
My
day trade
uranium,
to a swing.
That's
Investment
a
investment pre-market.
long-term hold.
I don't know what you gonna do.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Sometimes you do the biotech, and sometimes the biotech does you. That's all you can really
Does
say.
it, yeah.
Oh, that ain't fun at all.
Strong candle here.
Yeah, strong candle. Looking like we wanna recover. I'm trying to take some actual trades here.
Actual trade.
Actual trades. All right.
Yeah.
I'm not entirely sure yet on the recovery yet, but
I mean, at least halfway to 280 maybe on the NQ.
really,
Just
Yeah.
buy it, Caesar. Make it go up.
nah, I'd have to buy a couple hundred contracts of that.
Do what you
Market
gotta do,
change,
man.
I'm trying to move the
change.
market today.
Do it then.
I want this
Do it.
down. I want it lower like Alejandro. I want this lower.
All right. Somebody is asking for our view on gold. Does anybody want to take the lead on that?
Bullish.
Do that. I
Is
could do
that
both.
low-hanging fruit? Yeah, bullish. Intraday, I don't know. I can look, but
Got some
overall,
It's
red-
ranging. It's ranging, but it's bullish.
Got some. Let me see. Share my
Share
screen.
your screen.
Oh, I'm so over this price action. I think I'm
we're
done
on my
for.
screen. I'm sorry. I'm not really watching anything on this one.
Being
Go
shared.
to Caesar's screen.
Gold, yeah, it's getting beat right now. Sorry about that alert. It sucks through VWAP.
Come on. All right. Sorry. That EV
you
mouse
go.
was glitching.
All right. So yeah, I mean, right now gold, it's on a tear on a 4-hour. I do like this H pattern that it's forming. I would want to see gold come back and test this breakout area that it hasn't tested, which is at 45.80. I would be looking for a pull down into this. I have the previous daily close marked off, the daily open, and as you can see, like price could not close above it. So because of that, we're pulling back. Now, if we get a close under the daily low, I would be looking for a short down to the 45.80. You go to a daily chart. It's just been a non-massive run up, right? And you feel like this is the first nice daily red candle. So we're gonna see if this holds. If this holds, again, the 45.80 level is where I would be looking for price to pull back to. If you're not comfortable with the shorts, this is the area where you want to look for a long.
Alrighty. I like it. I like it.
My meta's kind of cooking here. Nice little higher low double bottom, reclaiming the neckline at 570. I'm a fan of this one. I'm keeping this trade on. I think that it's going to sweep the morning. Big surge that I wish I caught on the open. I'll show you there. Nice little higher low. Came down into these this support here. We tested our pivot. So let's whoops. Those are yesterday's levels. There we go. Now it shows. Okay, so yeah, basically came in, tested the bear shall not pass level, basically an R4, I'm sorry, support 4, Camarilla pivot there. Held exactly where it needed to do, higher load. Get this out of the way now. And essentially, we're just seeing a nice steady march through VWAP here. So I'm feeling pretty good about this guy here on the settlement of their, whatever the lawsuit is where they poison our children's brains with social media. Yeah, I'm bullish. Sounds like a bullish thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not fading it, that's for sure.
Which
Um,
lawsuit?
Cowish, you can sorry to jump in here. Cowish, you can keep the account. It's a legit account, so you can use it for practice. But if you trade it well, you might even get to a payout. So it's a legit account. You could keep it. It's yours.
There you go. It's the least we can do after Dave's
What?
gives you a hard time.
Let's forget it. Okay, it's on the internet. It's gonna disappear eventually.
That's how that works, yeah.
Oh man.
Oh boy.
I try to hold back on the dark humor, but it just came out.
We have
Look,
fun.
Cowish means well.
Of course.
He does
only
mean well.
we only rib the ones we love.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, now
It's
we
the
have
ones we
spy
truly
testing WAP
care
here.
about that we rip through. Usam saying, how do I approach earnings with my personal stock swing account?
Great question.
I close
Very
my
good.
eyes and I click buy.
I
That's my
separate.
method.
I definitely separate things between long term and short term. So if I'm scalping something, then I need my stop and I need to respect it. If it's a long term position, I don't really look. I trim into earnings if I have a cushion. I usually don't hold into earnings unless I'm willing to bag hold a little bit, because you never know what's going to come out. So that's my kind of general philosophy there on earnings.
Nice,
With the
nice,
swing.
nice.
Yeah, because you want to have a cushion, right? If you're holding something into earnings. Otherwise, it's a little too gambly for me. I've seen so many amazing trades just go terrible off of this, you know? And usually it's when you're kind of sized into a name that's fundamentals don't warrant that sizing. So I see a lot of the kind of technicals only swing traders getting into this. Like, for example, I remember CRDO a couple years ago. Amazing earnings, amazing run of earnings. Everything seemed so good, even on the fundamental side, but it just didn't have the price history, and it just got hit by a kind of rogue wave. I forget the actual, whatever they actually reported on earnings, but it was down 45% overnight. Like, no stop's going to protect you there. So
Yeah.
it's always better to just err on the side of caution. And I primarily only hold like big names in the earnings, you know, high market cap names that I really believe in.
That's a pretty sound approach, holding names that make sense. I've certainly gotten burned in the past by holding crappy names. So yeah, definitely good idea there. And at least on my ends, I don't really swing. I'm holding trades for much longer term. We could call it position trading, most of all.
Yeah.
You know, best example I can give since I'm out of it is Palantir. I think I held
Yeah.
Palantir for a good 3 years. And that was a really good trade. And then I got out of it for multiple reasons. But yeah, so I'm comfortable holding into earnings just because if I'm buying a name, it's usually a name I have high conviction in, and I'm holding for, you know, much longer term. So call it
Right.
3, 5, 10 plus years. So
I like that, and that's kind of where I'm at. By the way, I did have that runner short. I was about to have to close it if we were getting a 5-minute close, and strength through the VWAP here. I just added. I might be insane, but I saw the hourly trigger back test on chips here. I said, hey, I don't think this is going to stick. First shot here over VWAP. I will take a little bit of the add off quite soon as I see a little bit of a green candle here, finger on the trigger. But yeah, just letting y'all know that I do think that we have room down, so I'm just kind of trading around this little bit of a runner position that almost went red on me, but luckily, looks like
Let's
it might
see,
be
let's
working.
see.
All right, I took the little add off because it was just right at the neckline of these two candles at 115.36 on SOXL. Just letting y'all know what I'm up to here, because I just noticed we're still on my screen. I always feel bad because I have other monitors, and that's where I kind of focus, and then I look over and I'm like, oh wait,
we're staring at your screen.
well, stare at this one. This one's working better. Meta, woo, nice ramp here. Nice ramp here into the open. But yeah, these are names that I think that I'm just going to do the Dave and just stick with the plan. You know, I'm not in a big rush to sell my commodities when I think they're going nowhere but up. in a longer time horizon here. That being said, the trader in me never likes seeing a name up 7% pre-market go back to up 2% pre-market. I'm looking at you, uranium miners. So we'll see how my plan actually plays out and if I can stick to it. But in general, I think it's a lot better to kind of ignore the intraday volatility and just kind of stick with the over fundamental thesis and only sell if the trade actually is broken, as opposed to, oh man, I'm a little bit red. You know,
Yep.
that's, yeah. It's not easy, by the way, especially for the more neurotic folks like myself. But sometimes you just don't look in that account, you know?
Exactly. Exactly. Oh man, Harsh was still with us.
Steve, I'm curious, how much do you trade more intraday, like for the session, versus holding those longer term
Well,
trades?
it's tough, right?
Or
The wires
swings
get
per
crossed.
day, etc.
It's a great question. I'm still kind of trying to define a healthy split for myself. So
Yeah.
for my, like, based on my stats, I do better when I trade less. I do fine scalping, but it's not really bringing home the biscuits. You know, it's kind of just spin my wheels while I'm on stream. I also don't feel very good trading in size, short dated stuff while I'm on stream. You know, so for me, this is just knowing myself that I trade best when I'm in kind of like a echo or an isolation chamber, you know, with my tunes on, with nothing to distract me. And it's just not really conducive to me trading my best when I am trading short term and in front of people. Is it a cop out? Yes, it's hard. It's hard, guys.
It's hard.
You know, so
It's
be
not a
entertaining.
cop-out.
I
don't
have
think it's
6
a
months
cop-out.
worth of data that says it's hard and you shouldn't do it. So yeah.
Yeah, exactly. I don't think it's a cop-out at all.
And just in general, my analysis far better than my trading. I've never claimed to be an elite trader. You know, the trading
Dude, same.
is okay. Execution's hard, and you know, if you're at a firm, those are two very different jobs. You know, the guy pushing the buttons, he's not the guy making these analytical decisions for the most part. You know, and so I've made my peace with that. You know, I'll still get. What can I say on the stream? I get a hard time for it. Let's put it like that. But at the end of the day, it's about what makes us the most money and provides the most value for other people. So my analysis provides the most value for other people, and in turn, it provides the most value for me when I don't touch too many buttons. So I'd say in terms of how much I'm actually trading, I'm trading every day. Ale makes fun of me because I hedge very frequently throughout the day. That's kind of like
With
my
one
neurotic
share.
thing. Pardon me, I'm not hedging just one share. I'm scalping one share at a time, often on some of these like microns and stuff, because whatever, I'll scalp and make $50. You can laugh all you want. $50 is a nice dinner. So,
That's my internet bill.
It's all love. It's all love.
$50 is $50.
exactly.
Something.
$50 is my internet bill, so it's worth something.
It's a solo dinner
Hey,
date with a
that's way
glass
cheaper
of
than
wine.
mine.
All right.
You said solo dinner with a glass of wine.
Oh,
Nice. Or like I said last time, I mean, it's a double date at Burger King.
oh, Dave, you
I'd
might
rather
be
do
honing in on
McDonald's
why you aren't dating.
breakfast.
I think we're figuring it out.
Mm.
He's married, so he doesn't have to worry about the
Honestly-
dating scene.
The wife doesn't
Honestly,
appreciate the
like-
Burger King double dates.
Oh my gosh. No, I prefer McDonald's breakfast date. Hella good.
That's kind of a winner though. I'm not gonna lie.
Right?
Really?
You
After a
serve me up some
workout?
McGriddles.
Dude.
I
McDonald's
might.
after a workout?
Oh yeah, just offset it all.
Have you tried it?
Cancel it out, baby.
No.
Dude, you should. It's
That's
awesome.
why you're missing out.
So what
Dude,
kind of
the-
breakfast are we talking about at McDonald's? Like,
Just the breakfast platter. It has pancakes with like the butter and the syrup, and then you got the scrambled eggs and the hash brown. Oh my god, it's so good.
Oh, you're making me hungry.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
I'm a big McGriddle guy. I've gone to war about this though, so I'm very curious about your guys' take. Are we doing the McGriddles or are we doing the biscuits? Or what's the third option that's not good? There's 3 options, and one of them is only sociopaths get it. Now I can't remember which it is, but
Ice cream with fries.
No, that's amazing. What are you talking about? Come on.
What? You take the fries, you dip it in the ice cream. Call
Yeah.
me a sociopath.
Yeah.
It's just good eating. Come on.
But all jokes aside, I haven't had McDonald's in over, I want to say, at least a decade.
Whoa.
So,
Oh wow.
yeah,
Good
I
for
can't
you,
comment.
Dave. That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Not this guy.
I had it like a couple months ago.
Yeah, I had Jack in the
I'll only
Box 2
have
days
those
ago.
fast foods outside of the U.S. I had some in London, but I will not eat fast foods in the U.S. Outside, yes, I will. In here, no.
It was like, I don't trust them.
I don't, bro.
Well,
I don't.
honestly, I don't blame you.
The flavor is so different. Like the flavor of the patty and everything, it's so different abroad versus here in the States.
Yeah, I
Right.
was about to say, dude, you guys are talking about like American McDonald's.
Yes.
You guys
Well,
are in
accurate-
another realm right now. Like it is not the same elsewhere.
No,
This
it's
is
not.
no, it's
I
not
do-
the same.
I do remember
Oh,
having
damn.
I think it was McDonald's in Europe, and I was a little bit taken aback by how many more options you guys had and how good it was. Some of the stuff was crazy weird though, I'm not gonna lie. You guys got like I say you guys, all the rest of the world is just all the same to me. You guys got like mayo on your fries and stuff. I don't know what's going on. It's
McDonald's in the DR serves beer.
sick.
Dude,
Yes.
Awesome.
the mayo from the Netherlands, dude.
Yes,
Yo,
that's what
it
it
is
was.
so rich and creamy. Oh my
Mhm.
god, like that thing is like crack.
Yeah, it almost reminds me of the Kewpie mayo from Korea. Are you familiar with that?
Yeah,
No.
QP mayo
Yeah.
is really good.
Yeah, LJ's a man of culture. He knows what's up. Absolutely. That's that good stuff.
That's
Well,
It's like
it's 11 o'clock, guys.
Wow. Time
So-
flies.
Time flies when you're having fun with friends. It's been a very, very interesting and fun one this morning. We had Silent Caesar.
Yep. little durations, little durations.
There we go. Alejandra beat another one into the ground once again, so congratulations. And me once again, despite my best efforts being significantly green, I didn't win. So it is what it is. LJ, thanks for dropping in again. It's always a pleasure. And Steve, my man, you know,
Of course.
you're home, so it's good. Good, glad to have you back.
Love it. Thank you so much, guys. It's always a blast to hang out with y'all.
Indeed. So
Well,
we
see you in a
shall
couple
see
hours.
you tomorrow.
Awesome. See you
All
guys
right.
then.
Wrap
Thanks
it
so
up.
much.
Right?
See ya.
Yeah.
Bye.